Hi, I'm Sushant Agarwal and I'm the founder of Amulyam Hyderabad. We're a gifting, tableware and silver company, and we're launching a new flagship store in road number 12 Banjara Hills. So here today I'm showing you our tableware collection, and we're proud to say that we are working with a lot of Indian brands and highlighting Indian heritage through Indian crockery. So I would love to show you some designs that we have. So this here is the Jamiti collection, and as you can see more, you'll be able to see that we have a lot more collections here as well, highlighting different parts of the Indian heritage and Indian culture, starting from the Bya collection here, which is based on the Indian wedding ceremonies, starting from the Bharat procession, moving on to the Vidai. And we also have a lot of collections based on Indian architecture and heritage. Like here you can see this collection that is designed around the Akshardham and the entrance of the Akshardham and its architecture. And in this cup, as you can see the arches and you can see the peacocks, and you can see that all of this is 24 karat gold hand screen painted. A lot more collections like the Jodhpur evenings, which is its unique royal blue color, which is Jodhpur is famous for. And apart from that, we also have the Devanagari collection with us, which is based on different Sanskrit motifs and the Sanskrit letters. So the specialty of our crockery is that it's premium crockery made in India, competing with international brands, and using motifs and heritage from India to create their designs. And we are very happy to be working with these brands and highlighting this crockery and this tableware and bring all of this culture and heritage to Hyderabad. And we're looking forward to opening our doors and welcoming all our customers and sharing this entire experience with all of you. So sir, if you're talking about tableware, our products will start from about 2,000 rupees. And the upper range will go up till say 1 lakh, 1.5 lakh and above if you're looking for a customized dinner set. So the unique thing about our products, sir, as I mentioned earlier, is that this is all Indian luxury brands and this is all made in India. This is all designed in India. It is all based on our Indian heritage and our culture and our motifs. And the best part of this is that you're supporting Indian companies. You're supporting our own companies that are making in India instead of giving business to international companies. And this is something that is of a statement piece that you will have, that will be rare, that will be unique, that will add a certain amount of wow factor to your house and your home. And apart from tableware, we're also a gifting and a silver company. So we are a full service company wherein you'll find a lot of home decor, gifting, silver, tableware.
So it's online sales or offline also?
So sir, as of now, we have our Banjara Hills retail store available, and we are also coming up with our website later this year. Expansion plans are, sir, definitely to make our footprint online and also to launch more stores in different cities around the country.
नमस्ते, मेरा नाम त्रिशाला है। मेरे और मेरे हस्बैंड ने मिलकर ये कंपनी फाउंड की है। उसका नाम अमूल्यम है। हम लोगों ने 3 तरीके के सामान रखे हैं। उसमें टेबलवेयर है, गिफ्टिंग है और सिल्वरवेयर है। आपको टेबलवेयर में पोर्सलिन और फाइन बोन चाइना दोनों मिलेंगे। दैट इज़ 24 कैरेट गोल्ड प्लेटेड, एंड उसके अंदर आपको कस्टमाइजेशंस अवेलेबल हैं। जो 6 प्लेस सेटिंग्स की डिनर सेटिंग वो लोग दे रहे हैं, उसके अलावा आपको कुछ और कस्टमाइज़ कराना हो, दैट विल बी डेफिनेटली बी देयर। एंड ये सारा हम इंडियन ब्रांड्स के साथ कर रहे हैं, सारा सब कुछ इंडियन कंपनीज़ के साथ कर रहे हैं। वी डोंट आउटसोर्स फ्रॉम फॉरेन कंट्रीज़, वी आर बेसिकली इंडियन बेस्ड ब्रांड। We don't entertain imported brands or foreign brands at all. In gifting गिफ्टिंग में हमारे पास सस्टेनेबल गिफ्टिंग है, जो आपके पास आने के बाद आप घर में भी इस्तेमाल कर सकते हो। एंड इन सिल्वर हमारे पास फाइन सिल्वर है एंड सिल्वर कोटिंग भी है और फिलिग्री आर्ट भी है। तो फिलिग्री आर्ट सिल्वर में आपके पास जो सिल्वर कोटिंग है वो आपके पास वुड बेस्ड भी है एंड रेजिन कोटिंग भी है। उसका रेंज आपको सारा सिल्वर गिफ्टिंग के अंदर 2500 से लेकर के 35-40,000 तक जाएगा।